How to use Chroma key green screen in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and start a new project by selecting the desired aspect ratio that matches your video. Once you are inside the editing interface, tap on the media option to add your background video or image. This will be the base layer that appears behind your green screen footage. Next, tap on the layer option and choose media again. Now select the video with the green screen background that you want to overlay on the top of your base layer. Once the green screen clip is added, resize and position it as needed over the background. Now tap on the green screen clip in the timeline to bring up the editing options. Scroll through the tools and tap on the Chroma key option. Once you enable the Chroma key toggle, you will notice the green background disappears automatically, allowing the background layer to show through. If the background is not removed cleanly, adjust the key color, marks, edge filter, and show marks options to fine-tune the chroma key effect. After everything looks good, play the video to preview the result. If satisfied, tap the export button to save your project in high quality. Now you know how to use chroma key green screen in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.